Guys, so we have this PS4 controller. It's a Sony. Alright, I got it. The person said it has stick drift, where I think this one is a problem right here. So we're going to disassemble and try and clean it and reassemble it back. Alright, so what I'm going to do, remove those 4 screws, and we should get inside of the controller. This is my first time doing repairing one of these, and also I forgot my GoPro stand, so I'll be using one hand holding the phone and the other hand of the device. So I'm gonna just try and remove those screws. Alright, so this is how inside of it looks. These are the motors right here. This one right here, these are the motor that vibrates, that give you that feeling when sudden vibration. This is where the battery connect, and that cable. So I'm going to remove this cable, remove the battery, and get to the circuit board. Alright, so this cable was removed right there, and the battery was removed, everything. So I'm just going to ease back the board, right, and then check right off here. Alright, so I'm going to show you the process. Alright, before I do that, I have to remove this screw right here. Alright, have to remove this screw. Alright, so this is how inside of it looks. So what I'm going to do, remove these, alright, and then try and clean these potentiometer right here. Alright, so you can see the knobs were removed. So what I did is get the tweezer, and I put it in the middle here and ease this back. Alright, so what I'm going to do, remove that, and then I'm going to use some contact cleaner to clean the potentiometer. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, you can see it was removed out of the circuit. So now we're going to use some contact cleaners and spray in there and clean it. Alright, so I'm just going to do all of them and then fit it back. Alright, so this side was put back on. Alright, so we're going to do this side as well. Alright, after I finish this side, I'm going to do these ones as well and then fit it up back. So stay tuned. I wish I could make you see the process, but I don't have my GoPro stand at the moment. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one as well. Right, and then alright, so this is the last one. Alright, if you can look closely, right over here in the corner here is some residue right here. So I'm going to just clean that area with the contact cleaner, fit it up, and then let us see it. So basically this is going to this video is showing how to clean these potentiometer, right, that give you stick drift. So my first time doing this, so bear with me. Alright, so you notice you do not see it anymore over this corner here. Alright, you don't see it, so that was cleaned. So now I'm going to put back this right here and then fit it up, and then that's it. Alright, so everything was complete, so I'm just going to fit it up stage by stage, and then so I'm just going to fit it back and then let you see it. Alright, Alright, the knobs are put on back, so I'm going to flip the circuit board opposite side and then connect this ribbon here. Alright, you can see the battery put back in its place, and we're going to connect this section now to complete it. And this is how the piece of napkin stay. This is how dirty it was, you can see. Alright, so that's the amount of dirt that was in it. Our moisture build up. I was clean, so I'm just gonna put this back, and then that is it. Alright, so you can see the cable was installed, so now I'm just gonna close it now and then screw it up. Alright, so the device was put back together, all 4 screws. Alright, press the button. Alright, so yeah, let me know what you think of this repair, because it's the first time I'm doing it. So let me know in the comment section down below, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Alright.